Hey guys, we just want to introduce you to our latest product range on EGRauto.com called the EGR Protection Pack. Now, what you may not know is EGR's been making acrylic car accessories for 40 to 50 years. You and your family have had these products on your car for that long and you didn't know that EGR made them right up here in Brisbane. Now, the first product we want to show you is what we call a Slimline weather shield. These are fantastic for the hot days or the rainy days. Now, on a hot day, you can crack your window, lets the hot air out. On the rainy days, you can crack your window, it lets the condensation out. And of course, the weather shield stops the water from getting in the glass. So we do a 4-piece set in a nice tint. Now, the other product we have is a Bonnet Protector. We offer these in matte black, and they're great for stone chips. You don't want any stone chips when you're following a car or a truck, flicking up and scratching the paint on your bonnet. And finally, we have an EGR Headlight Protector. These are just clear acrylic panels that go over your headlights and they're cut out to the correct shape. And they protect you from also the same stone chips and the same wear and tear that the Bonnet Protector does. If you head over to EGRauto.com right now, you can get these for your dual cabs and your SUVs.